welcome back. We are going to jump right in, and I'm gonna go in and just swatch these two NYX Lip IVs. So these are a hydrating gloss serum with a stain in them. I love glossy stains. They're like some of my favorite things. All right, we're gonna start with this first one. This is Splash and Spice. So it definitely is a true gloss formula because it definitely has movement. It's not super thick. So this says, wetter is better. It's NYX Professional Makeup Lip IV Hydrating Gloss Stain. Instant wet shine, but over time lip stain in multiple saturated shades. So I love that. There's a dark color called Grape Gushin. Oh my gosh, I need it. That looks amazing. Oh, anyway, okay. So let's go in with the Splash and Spice. It is like a warm nude. That's very pretty. I'm gonna swatch it on the back of my hand just because I know my hand will absorb the stain faster than my lips. There's that one. I love the pigment that you get from the product itself. It is really pretty. Very hydrating gloss. And very shiny. Very, very shiny. Again, this one is Splash and Spice. All right, so I'm gonna wipe that off, but I'll leave the one on my hand up there so we can see what the stain will look like. It actually did already stain a little bit, which is, that's really pretty. All right, I see you. So the next one that I got is the Water Bout Wine. This is like a dark burgundy red, a little bit of purple undertones. Love it, love it. One of my favorite colors in a lip, like any lip, honestly. Lip gloss, lip stain, lipstick, anything. All right, let's apply this one. Ugh, see, that's just so pretty. That's so pretty. Let's do the back of the hand swatch. Oh, that is totally one of my jams. All right. So this, oh my God, this looks so good. It's so shiny. All right, let me go finish my makeup and I will be right back for final thoughts. All right, guys, I am back with my finished makeup and I have to say, I love how comfy this lip is. It feels so nice, but it also doesn't feel like it's gonna go anywhere. Like it feels there enough that, you know, I can feel it, but it's not, I don't feel it like kind of bleeding anywhere, which is great. That's really pretty, guys. Honestly, I'm gonna have to get more colors. I really want that dark one. But they have, I think, like 10 shades, something like that. Actually, it might even be more than that, 15 shades, somewhere like that. Lip IV, the Hydrating Gloss Serums. They're both beautiful. Let's wipe the hand swatches off. It's been about 5-10 minutes. Now keep in mind, guys, the longer you have this on, the better it is gonna stain for you. Just gonna wipe these off. Oh. Look at that. That's wiped off. That's a stain. That looks great. Oh, that looks great. Oh my gosh. I kind of want to wipe my lips off. Mm. Stop it right now. Look how pretty that is. That's gorgeous. That is the stain. Oh, it's so pretty. I really, really like this, guys. I'm gonna have to get some more shades. Definitely. All right, I'm gonna give these a 10 out of 10. They definitely pass in my eyes. If you guys want to go check it out at your local Ulta, I'm pleasantly surprised. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a like and maybe a share so we can get it out there. And that's about it, guys. I love you, and I'll see you later. Mwah.